may be listed tomorrow.
He should come up.
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear
Yes, ma'am.
of contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Is it not?
The matter may be listed tomorrow.
You are an officer of the court.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have not communicated that he should be present before this court, if no affidavit is filed, then this is an act of contempt.
Yes, ma'am.
We like to preserve the process of the court.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not the way.
May I pray that the matter may be listed tomorrow.
How much is the travel time?
6-7 hours.
No,
No?
by now, for 3 to 4 hours, 4 hours from
Depending on
Singapore
the
to-
road condition.
But this is not the way.
Yes, ma'am.
At least he should have communicated to you
Yes.
that because of this pressing problem, law and order situation, I am not in a position to come.
Yes, ma'am.
Let him be present at 10:30 tomorrow.
My lord.
If you have communicated,
Verbally, I have communicated.
verbally communicated,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll record that statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, this is suggestive of a contemptuous act on the part of the deputy commissioners. I'll drop contempt proceeding against him. This court.
My lord.
Court's order is not to be taken lightly. He was asked to submit the affidavit. He did not submit. If he did not submit, he should be present in person along with the contemporaneous records. But nothing has been communicated to you as to why the affidavit was not filed, as to why he is not present. Who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petition.
And madam, you are for?
Respondent number 4, Lodge.
For Mr.
LT Sangho.
Chubanangam.
Learned counsel for the petitioner and Ms. Z. Jimon, learned counsel for the respondent of 4. First up. This court, comma, by order dated 11/5/2026, comma, directed. Did you file affidavit?
During the course of the day, I wanted, but one want to type out.
Are you filing today?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, if you are not filing,
Today, Lordship. Everything is ready. Just one little bit,
but it was supposed to be filed on 4/6.
Lordship.
So we have lost the opportunity now.
I have to wait for this one that was from
We don't know. This is the order. By order dated 11/5/2026.
Mine is
Had
still today,
directed respondents to, had granted time to the respondents till 4/6/2026 to file their respective affidavits. First up, the court, the order further observed that in the event the affidavits were not filed, comma, on or before 4/6/2026, comma, then on the next date of listing, that is today, within bracket 11/5/2026, comma, the Deputy Commissioner, Junebotro District, Nagaland shall remain present, comma, in person, comma, before this court, comma, along with the contemporaneous records of the matter, comma, to assist this court in disposal of the writ petition. Poster. It was further observed that in the event the respondent number 4 did not bring on record his stand, comma, by way of filing an affidavit, comma, no further opportunity shall be granted to the said respondent to prefer an affidavit in the matter. Poster. Para. Neither the state respondents, more particularly, comma, the Deputy Commissioner, Junebotro District, within bracket respondent number 2, nor the respondent number 4, has filed any affidavit on or before 4/6/2026. Full stop. Para, in the above view of the matter, the Deputy Commissioner, Junior Botro District, Nagaland, was required to remain present in person in terms of the order dated 11/5/2026. Full stop. Para, Mr. L.T. Sangtam, Learned Additional Advocate General, appearing for the respondent, Nagaland, appearing for the respondent number 1 to 3, has submitted that the order dated 11/5/2026 was contents of the order dated 11/6/2025, and the direction made therein were duly communicated to the respondent of 4/2 orally. First off, he is today he is not in a position to explain about the non-appearance of the Deputy Commissioner, Junior Botro District, before the court in person. Full stop. Para, if the direction made in the order dated 11/5/2026 has been duly communicated to the Deputy Commissioner, Junior Botro District, his non-appearance before this court today is an act suggestive of an contemptuous act. Full stop. And court is of the view that the contempt proceeding is required to be drawn up. Full stop. Para. At this juncture, Mr. Sanctum, Learned Additional Advocate General, Nagaland, has sought for listing of the case tomorrow to enable him to communicate a copy of the order dated 11/5/2026 to the Deputy Commissioner, Junior Botro District, and to so as to enable him to appear in person tomorrow, along with the explanation for his non-appearance today. First up, in view of the above submission made by, taking into the court exceeds to the prayer of Mr. Sanctum made today. First up, that release the case accordingly tomorrow.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please order? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
6.
Yes, I am for respondent number 8. Lordship, because of my ill health, I could not find.
You are for
Respondent number 8.
8. Lima to C.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, because of my ill health, I could not file my affidavit. By next week, I'll file it.
Okay, Mr. Lima to C. Who is for the petitioner? Mr.
Certificate of
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and who is for the State Council? Miss
Pijanon.
Learned State Council for the state respondents are present. Mr.
Lordship, the
I.
matter will fix on 19th next Friday.
Lima to C. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4.
8.
8 has
Lordship,
paid
I
for
quoted respondent 9.
and is granted 1 week time to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondent. Yes, you are for
I'm for the respondent 9.
Mr.
Tushitumjen.
Sorry,
Pong.
Tosi Tamjian.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number 8, respondent number 9 are present, huh?
Lordship, I would also like to mention item number 12.
12.
Yes, I'm for respondent number 7 and 8.
Okay.
2 weeks may be granted to file my affidavit.
Okay. Who is for the petitioner? You have taken consent.
No,
You have informed the other side.
no, Your Honor.
Let him come then. Petitioner is present. Okay, let
Yes,
the
yes.
matter reach.
I
I'll grant you time.
I have just reached from Dimapur. I just reached from Dimapur. Just. I'm
But
not met.
the procedure is that you should take consent.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 15. On behalf of the state respondents.
Yes.
We pray for 3 weeks, your lordship. We are
You
yet
have
to
informed the
receive-
other side.
Yes, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I appear for the petitioner, Lordship.
Mr.
S.J. Soikia, Your Lordship. I appear on behalf of Dr. Ashok Saraf.
Learned Counsel on behalf of the petitioner is present through the first oath. Come along with Mr.
K. Nagi, lordship.
K. Nagi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Long
M. Longkumar.
M.
Yes.
Longkumar, Learned Central Government Counsel,
No, Junior. Government advocate.
Government Advocate. Is it a state matter or
Six.
who has to respond? Mr. Soikia,
My Lord, the Union of India.
the Secretary Union of India,
Yes.
CGST.
My Lord, there's an interim order, Lordship. Interim may continue.
Wait. If state government is praying for time, but it has no business in the matter. Where is Mr. Kulnu?
He's standing in court too, your lordship.
Because it is his business, not your business.
Lordship.
You are a proper party,
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
not a necessary party. Yes, Mr. Soikia, whether the state has any role.
My Lord, mainly the Union, Your Lord.
Not sure.
But we were being informed, Lordship.
But demand cum show cause notice has been issued by Director Goods and Services Act, Intelligence Bureau, Government of India. You have to, your stand will be in support of the petitioner,
Yes, lordship. Your lordship.
right?
Yes, lordship.
Regarding some contract. But the stand of the Union of India will be against the petitioner. So you are in line with, alignment with the petitioner.
Your lordship.
Now, who is Mr. Kulnu? Let him come.
Your lordship.
Okay, I'll record your presence. Let him come.
Yes, sir.
How much time he needs? If he surrenders, then the petition is to be allowed. If he does not want to file any counter,
Your lordship.
Mr. Kulnu,
Yes.
then writ petition is to be allowed
Lordship.
because you are in support with the petitioner. Let him come.
Your lordship. Much obliged. Your lordship, may I also mention item 9 on behalf of additional AGM team song.
Okay.
Yes. 2 weeks to receive instructions,
Yes.
your lordship.
Mr.
No.
It is Mr. Jami's case.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, Miss. Your name, please.
Intila.
Learned Counsel for the petition is present, Mr. M. Longkumar, Learned State Counsel. And you are for?
For respondent number 4, my lord.
4. You want to file any affidavit?
I have already filed it.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for respondent number 4 are present. Mr. M. Longkumar, Learned Government Advocate has paid for and is granted how much time?
2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks' time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. List the case accordingly. After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
Worship, there's an interim.
The interim order, if any, shall pass earlier, shall continue till the next request.
Much obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
Check, huh, and pass.
May I just, my lord, if I may kindly be allowed to mention item number 13?
13,
Yes, my lord, I may be granted another 1 week time to file my reply.
Miss
At
R.
sir.
Achula Kips.
Yes, lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has sought for and is granted 1 week time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Mr.
Right, my lord.
Angami.
Yes, my lord. And
And Angami, Learned State Counsel for the state respondents is present.
Deeply obliged. I please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
10. Yes,
Lordship, if you can kindly grant us another 2 weeks,
you are
File
applying
affidavit.
for what? State, central government?
appearing for the NHIDCL. Respondent 456.
Okay, private respondent. Private respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Miss
Manoshino.
Mainosiano learned counsel for the petition is present. Mr. Susi.
Yes, my lord.
A Susi learned counsel for the respondent 4 to 6. How much time you need?
2 weeks, my lord.
Sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. List the case accordingly after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office. Any interim order?
No, no, Your Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship, if I may be granted 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Miss so and so learned counsel for the petitioner has sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the
Respondent number 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. Miss Lucino, learned counsel for the respondent number 6, and Miss,
Lordship, appearing for respondent 5 and 7.
your name, please, good name.
Grace.
Grace, I Namgi.
Lordship.
So and so are present. This is the case accordingly after so and so weeks on a day 2 weeks by the office.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Lordship,
Yes.
if this matter can be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Miss so and so, learned counsel for the petition has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks. Who is the state? Miss
Pichano.
Pijan.
Lordship, kindly grant 2 weeks time to file additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay, Miss so and so Pijan, learned government advocate has sought for 2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit in opposition, which prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petition. This is the case after 2 weeks. The state respondent shall ensure that its initial affidavit is filed in the meantime.
Thank you, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
8. Yes, madam.
Lordship, here the leading counsel is indisposed. So if this matter can come up after 4 weeks.
Bendang Wawang,
Lordship, yes.
Miss so and so learned counsel appearing for Mr. Bendan Wawang, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that Mr. Bendang Wawang is indisposed. And on the ground, Ms. so and so has sought for listing of the case after 4 weeks. Miss Ina Poli, learned junior state counsel, and Mr.
Donato, I'm appearing on behalf of
Mr.
Mr.
Counsel for
Mr.
respondent number 6 are present and have submitted that they have no objection. In view of the ground cited for adjournment, they have no objection to the prayer. The prayer is allowed to raise the case after 4 weeks on a day 2 weeks by the office.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes,
May I please, my lord? My lord, here the petitioners are challenging the regularization order, wherein their regularization was done as per the compliance of this honorable court's order, my lord, but they were regularized belatedly. That
which
is,
order they have been regularized? Pursuant to which order? Earlier they prepared a repetition,
yes, your lordship, I have prepared.
or along with others,
Yes,
along with
Lord.
others.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Miss R. Achula Gibbs for the petition, heard Miss R. Achula Gibbs for the petition, and Mr. M. Longkumar, learned government advocate for all
Yes, Your Lordship.
for all the state respondents. Also, the petitioners, 7 in number, have joined together to institute the writ petition stating that they have a common cause of action. Post of the petitioners stated that they, along with others, preferred a writ petition WPC number
178 of 2022.
178 2023. Earlier seeking inter alia direction to the state respondents to regularize their services in terms of an office memorandum dated
17/3/2015.
17/3/2015 on the ground that all of them had completed 30 years of
Yes,
service.
Your Lordship. In fact, some of the petitioners who have not yet been regularized, they are currently under pending consideration in contempt petition, Your Lordship. And these 7 read petitioners, my lord, they have not been regularized as per the guidelines of the office memorandum.
Where is the office
2015.
memorandum?
Page number 111, annexure 4.
In terms of an office memorandum
111.
dated 17/3/2025
15.
to 15, on the ground that all of them had completed 30 years of service posted pursuant to the order dated 13/5/2024, whereby the repetition WBC number 178/2023
2024.
24 was disposed of, the petitioners were regularized by orders, dated 27/2/2025, dated 27/8/2025 and 28/8/2025 by the respondent number 5 postal. In this petition, the petitioners have raised a grievance that by the aforementioned orders of regularization, their services have been regularized on and from the date of those orders, whereas
Some of them from the date of the regularization and some of them after 3 years and after 4 years, different dates, Your Lordship.
but the regulation ought to have been from that date they had completed 30 years
Yes,
of
Your Lordship.
service. That is your case?
Yes, Your Lordship, that is my case.
So it is Miss Ursula, Miss Skips, the counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that the action on the aforesaid action on the part of the state respondents is clearly discriminatory, as the state respondents have regularized services of similarly situated persons on and from the date they had completed 30 years of service. Issue notice returnable on so and so, as Mr. Pulong Kumar, learned government advocate, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents. Issuance of formal notice to the state respondent is dispensed with. However, learned counsel for the petitioners shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the petition along with an annexure to Mr. Long Kumar within 2 working days for today. The respondents state respondents are to ensure that their counter affidavit is filed on or before the returnable date, wherein it should explain the situation as to why the alleged discriminatory treatment have been meted out to the petitioner.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner is challenging, my lord, the seizure made by custom authority, my lord. Initially on the ground that documents were not furnished at the time of seizure, your lordship, supported document. And my lord, there is a violation of section 71C of the Custom Act. C. It says, my lord, that if the goods are coming from outside the territory of country, then it has to go to the designated path, your lordship. It is required to go to the particular path as defined by the authority, my lord.
Have you
But-
quoted
My lord, I have 71C, my lord.
customs? Do you have custom?
17 is quote here.
Let us have the documents.
My lord, may kindly come to my lord, page 26A, typed copy, my lord. It is the invoice, my lord. Your lordship may skip or kindly come to page 27, e-way bill, your lordship. The goods were 27, my lord, annexure 4. And my lord may kindly come to seizure report, typed copy at page 29, but typed copy is at, my lord, page 30A, 30.
Mr. Goel,
My lord,
what is page?
my lord,
What is
page 29.
26?
26 is my lord. Oh, my lord, this is the tax invoice, your lordship. Type copy at page 26A.
You are buyer.
My lord, I am buyer and it was sold by, my lord, Mahidia Enterprises, Karimganj. To my lord, Parvati Traders, buyer's name.
Kohima.
It was transported from Karimganj to, my lord, Karnataka. In route, my lord, they have seized at Hojai, your lordship. Lamding division, my lord. Buyers, Parvati Traders, petition before your lordship, my lord.
You are from which
I am
place?
from Karnataka, my lord. I am from Karnataka,
You are from
my lord.
okay.
And page 27 is, my lord, e-way bill, my lord.
Page
27, annexure 4. Here, your lordship will see
wrong, Mr.
page
20.
29. 29, I think it is seizure,
No. E-way.
my lord. Some page, my lord, in my copy and filing. There is my e-way bill is there, your lordship. Thereafter, my lord, seizure report.
What is the date?
E-way bill date is, my lord, it was issued valid up to 11/11/2025. At the top, my lord, will kindly see. Valid up to 11/11/2025.
Yes.
And document details, tax invoice dated 24/10/2025. Your lordship has got it, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. So e-way bill was there. Accordingly, goods were dispatched. And on 6/11/2025, when the goods were going to, my lord, Karnataka, in Lamding, it was seized by the authority and typed copy, my lord, seizure report, typed copy subsequent, your lordship may kindly see. In my petition, it is 30A and relevant page 30B, 30C, 30. Reason for seizure and violation of provisions of law.
Just
My lord, serial number 11.
Okay.
My lord. So reason has been given, my lord. The illegal importation into India through a route not specified under Section 71C of the Customs Act and in contravention of the provisions of Section 11 of the Act. Thereafter, your lordship will see in serial number 15, they are saying no supportive legal documents were produced at the time of seizure and based on latest trend of smuggling. So, my lord, in fact, e-way bill was there, your lordship. Invoice was there at the time of seizure. And your lordship may kindly come to Annexure 6. This is a notice. They have changed the reason of, my lord, seizure thereafter subsequently. Typed copy at subsequently is your lordship 32A typed copy. They have issued notice to me saying that, may I read your lordship?
Yes.
Whereas the goods as listed in the schedule herein under have been detected and recovered so-and-so gunny bags containing areca nuts, supari, suspected to be of foreign origin. Initially, they are saying that there is a violation of 71C. Now, in the notice, they are saying that since it was suspected to be of foreign origin, that's why it was seized.
David,
My lord.
they believe that it illegally,
My lord.
and that it was nothing to indicate when once.
My lord.
Basically, their ground, it is a
Foreign origin. But my lord, to say, my lord, it is of foreign origin, my lord, there has to be some material, number one. When the petitioner is submitting, my lord, e-way bill and all the other documents which support that the goods were purchased in India and it was transported from Karimganj to my lord. Thereafter, my lord, my lord, thereafter I filed application Annexure 7, my lord, before the authority.
on 6th.
My lord, I'm not getting, in fact, voice is breaking, your lordship.
I am also.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
But have you seen? Central government
My lord. My lord.
be shown in the respondent.
Respondent side, my lord, copy was given to Union of India and Mr. Devnath is earlier he was appearing.
No name
For the,
is
that my local council, my lord.
it is up to you.
My lord, it was not taken. I am told that by local council. Then let notice will go, then they will appear, my lord.
Then notice.
My lord. Till then, my lord, no, it goods may not be confiscated. I am not saying to release, my lord. It may not be confiscated.
What is there? Long process.
My lord.
It is one.
Moreover, my lord, one thing I would like to point out, the authority has sent documents, e-way bill for verification genuineness to the Karnataka. Karnataka GST authority has given that the goods were actually transported and the e-way bill and other documents are genuine. And when transaction was also genuine.
No, I'm fine.
Mal, some difficulty is there, Mal.
Huh? Something is wrong from your side.
My lord. My lord, can it be taken on Thursday, my lord? I will come.
So you file an
Please. My lord. Page Annexure 7. I have filed application for release, but no order has been passed. Moreover, my lord.
And this summon
Someone was, my lord, issued to the my
Let Mr. Goel. Learned Council.
Dimapur authority sent letter to Karnataka for verification of my lord e-way bill.
The petition.
My lord.
Petition. To a sale. Yes. Result. It won't. Disturbing. Resulting in a seizure report dated 6/11/2025. And a notice under notice dated 6/11/2025 issued under Section 124 of the Customs Act 1964 in connection with seizure case number no part of it, page 36 of stop. By where is your local council, Mr. Goel? Okay. Para. By the seizure list, comma. Seizure was made for 480 number of gunny bags containing areca nuts within bracket supari, comma, suspected to be of foreign origin, comma, were seized from a Tata truck bearing registration number AS-01 RC 8918 at around 2 a.m. on 6/11/2025 from Lamding, Ujai, and the seizure was made under Section 110 of the Customs Act 1962 on 6/11/2025 itself, on a reasonable belief that the same were illegally imported into India through a route not specified under Section 71C of the Customs Act, 1972, and in contravention of Section 11 of the said Acts. Full stop. The notice was served upon the petitioner to show cause. Full stop. Along with under Section 124, no, full stop. It has been notice under as to why the goods shall not be confiscated under the provisions of the Customs Act 1962. First of the petitioner, in response to the notice from the petitioner, submitted an application on 19/12/2025 under section seeking release of the seized areca nuts under Section 110 capital A of the Customs Act 1962. on the ground that the goods in question seized are of Indian origin. On 27/4/2026, an order under section 110 within bracket 2 of the Customs Act 1962 has been passed. Whereby the period of issuance of so-called notice under clause A under section 124 within bracket small a of the Customs Act 1962 has been extended for a further period of 6 months on the ground that the documents have been sent to the jurisdictional GST authorities for verification and complete are not received. GST authorities for not received. Issue notice. So the learned petitioner furnish requisite number of extra copies of the petition along with annexer to the learned Central Government Council, Union of India, within 2 working days from today. Where is your local council?
My lord, Miss Lohe is there, but she's what to say, my lord. I'm obliged, my lord. This time I will come, my lord, personally, my lord, physically, my lord. Deeply obliged.
For motion, item number 3.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the Assam Rifles respondent number 1, 2, and 3. They are in the occupation of my land since 1987, Lordship, for the last 4 decades.
Or Mr. Mohan Jamil, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
E.T. Papom for respondent number 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6. Not, there is no 7. 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6.
Lordship.
Mr.
E.T. Papom.
E.T. Papom, learned government advocate for the respondent 4, 5, and 6. Full stop. Where the petitioner has stated that the respondent Assam Rifles authorities are in occupation of the petitioners an area of land measuring 10 acres approximately, belonging to the petitioner, situated at Athibung, Peren district, Nagaland, belonging to the petitioner, for setting up their operational basis since 1987 without following due process of law. In that neither any process was initiated for acquisition of the said land nor for requisition of the said land. So till date, no rent,
Lordship.
no amount has been paid to the petitioner either for requisition or for acquisition. Issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. Thiba from for 4, 5, and 6, no formal notice, extra copies. Now, this that in the earlier case, CGC is not accepting notice, meaning thereby, okay, steps.
Lordship, we have already served notice to the CGC, Lordship.
But CGC was not accepting notice.
Lordship, in a
He-
similar cases, he is representing the Assam Rifles, Lordship.
No, in the previous case.
Lordship.
The steps are in addition to by speed post.
Lordship.
In a previous case, because the council was saying that CGC is not accepting notice.
Lordship.
Okay.
Custom, they have a council. Maybe that is the reason why they are not accepting on behalf of the custom.
Okay, custom has a council,
Sitting council.
standing council.
But on the last occasion, they have submitted it.
Okay. So সেইটো central government council দিব নালাগে, speed post কৰিব.
Your Worship, I am the senior standing counsel for the CBIC, Your Worship. Customs.
Customs.
Yes,
Okay, you
that-
accept notice.
No, Your Worship, I was never served the notice here.
Oh, you have not, but I have directed
Okay,
to serve you notices.
okay, Your Worship.
Notice is made returnable on 4 weeks
Okay, Your Worship.
in the previous case,
Okay, Your Worship.
right? So Z Kulno.
Yes, Your Worship.
Okay, hetu likhi dibo. The land council for the petitioner shall supply requisite number of extra copies of the petition along with annexer to Mr. J. Kulnu, Land and Central Government Council for service of notices upon the respondents within 3 working days from today. In this case, 1 to 3, we'll accept.
We have already served Mr.
Mr.
Yangawati.
Kulnu,
Mr. Yangawati, the CGC, he has accepted
Okay.
notice, Lordship.
Land council for the petitioner shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the petition along with annexer to Mr. Wengarbati, Land and Central Government Council for service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, and 3
Lordship.
within 3 working days from today.
Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, sir.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, the immediate respect for admission hearing today. Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is praying for consideration of his case for appointment on the basis of land ownership.
Where is your writ petition? Writ petition. You are Mr.
Mr. Khan.
Khan.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, in the state of Nagaland, Lordship, the state government has framed a policy for appointment
Landowner.
landowners, Lordship.
Where is that?
That is in page number 13, annexure 1.
Page number 13.
Lordship, in the present case, Lordship, I am relying on clause 3B.
For providing oral agreement.
If there is any claim for providing employment as a result of oral agreement, the department council shall refer the matter to the deputy commissioner of the district concerned, who shall examine such claim carefully, including whether any employment or any other facility, including contract or supply order, has been given in the past. Written statement from the witnesses, that is, concerned government officials of the concerned department and the district administration and village functionaries present at the time of such oral agreement should be taken by the deputy commissioner. The recommendation of the deputy commissioner should be referred with relevant documents to the Department of Land Revenue for advice in such cases by the department concerned.
Just a minute. Lay down lines will be required. So 26/7/2025 was the cutoff date. As per the policy,
Yes, Lordship.
27/6/7/2005 was the cutoff date.
Yes, Lordship. And after this 26/7/2005, Lordship, if any development has to be taken, that has to be purchased by the state government, not on freely donated.
Not the donation. So in other cases prior to so and so. So 3A goes with 3B.
3D, Lordship.
Subsequent setting up.
The petitioner is also claiming on the basis of
Yes,
oral agreement.
written So where a specific written agreement exists providing for employment to a landowner, the claim of landowner for employment should be settled in terms of such agreement. If there is any claim for providing as a result of oral agreement, so
Oral
3B is oral agreement.
Oral agreement.
One is written,
One is written.
one is oral.
Oral worship.
So 3A is a written agreement, 3B is oral agreement.
Oral agreement.
Okay, in that case, Deputy Commissioner comes in for inquiry.
Deputy Commissioner of the concerned district has.
He will take the inquiry.
He will conduct an verification.
Okay, now here is a case for which post?
Yeah, but for the post of medical attendant worship.
Medical attendant. Let us see the other annex.
Lordship, before going to the annexures, Lordship, as directed by this honorable court by order dated 7/8/2025. Lordship, the office of the Deputy Commissioner Mo, they have conducted a verification.
Just a minute, which post? Who has been appointed?
Lordship, the private respondent number 4.
Tell me that. Otherwise, how can I?
Yes, sir.
Private respondent. By which order?
Lordship, by order
List
dated-
of particulars of
dated
government.
16/12/2024, page 28.
What is the annexer 2? List of particulars of the government servant who are.
Lordship,
to be
annexure 2 is
released.
the release order of the earlier incumbent.
Who is that man?
Mr. Kangyok Kuyak, that is the father of the private respondent number 4.
Gangyok Konyak. On retirement.
Kangyok Kuyak is retired in against his
Maintains-
vacancy, his son was appointed. Now I'm challenging that.
So, just a minute, date of birth, date of joining. So he retired
On,
35 years of date of
yes, Lordship.
release, 60 years.
Yes, Lordship.
60 years.
On beginning the age of 60 years, Lordship.
Okay, he retired. So a vacancy of medical attendant at Mokok Sub Center,
Yes, Lordship.
CMO Mon.
Same moment under same.
Eroj. Okay, by now this is 16-year application,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Yes, Lordship. This is my application.
After the vacancy.
Yeah, after the vacancy, Lordship.
Okay, 5/7/2024. You were applying on what ground?
Lordship, I'm applying on the basis of line ownership. Lordship, my application is page number 16. In page number 17 is a recommendation issued by the village council of Shingha Mokok.
I'm lying vacant.
Lordship, page 17 is
Landowner candidate. Okay, landowner candidate. Then this is 17 is what?
This is a recommendation issued by the village council.
Bona
Mokok
fide
village
landowner
council.
medical office premise, therefore may claim for 4th grade post. Okay, then birth certificate, then Government of Nagaland Deputy Commissioner Khan. Residents. You are resident of same village?
Lordship, I'm a resident of Shingha Mokok.
Same village?
Same village, Lordship.
Same village. Then backward tribe. Then scheduled tribe. Affidavit.
And Lordship, page number 24, it is a forwarding letter issued by the CMO Mo. My application was forwarded by this.
I have the honor to forward here an application received from Khan for the post of MA. Okay, by Chief Medical Officer.
By Chief Medical Officer.
In his office, this vacancy.
Lordship, the vacancies.
Sub-office.
So vacancies are under the establishment. Shingha Mokok Sub Center is under the establishment of the CMO.
Okay, sub-center.
This is a sub center.
Under him.
Under the establishment.
Under Chief Medical Officer Mon.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Then Principal
And
Director.
page number, can you come to page number 25, annexure 5, Lordship.
2 applications.
The 2 applications were forwarded to the state government by the Directorate of Health and Family also.
And closed. Who are they? Your name?
My name is at serial number 2. My name is at serial number 2, Mr. Khan.
1 minute. With reference to, so I have the honor to forward with 2 applications. Vacancy. Applicant. Gangyok.
And the private respondent.
What is this representation from Gangyok Konyak, landowner, for fraudulently claiming of land ownership by Mr. Khan is also enclosed. Okay, Gangrem. Father's name, Yang Yok. Mokokil. Khan. Recommended by minister, recommended by MLA, forwarded by CMO Mon. Land owner affidavit, recommended village council.
The serial number one.
Huh.
From then Konyak, the father name is Wang Yok Konyak.
Yes,
It's only reflected. It should be Kang Yok.
okay. Instead of W, it should be Z.
G.
Government approval. Angam. Gangam. Konyak. So page 27.
Bishop 27.
It came in favor of Gangam Konyak.
Your Lordship. This is our private respondent number 4.
I am directed to refer to your letter. Okay, this order has been challenged.
Yeah, this is something.
13/12/2024.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
In the subsequent appointment order, there is a page number 28.
That is also challenged.
This is under challenge.
Okay. Now, what is your ground of challenge?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, my ground of challenge is that, Lordship, that the private respondent number 4 is not a landowner.
Landowner.
Yes, and Lordship, the present petitioner is the landowner of this subcenter. However, Lordship, the present petitioner's family, they have not availed the benefit of appointment on the basis of landownership. That is my case.
You are from the family of landowner who donated land
Yes,
for the sub-center.
Yes, Lordship.
That is your case.
That is my case.
And village council,
Has also recommended my case.
you recommended your case.
Yes, Lordship.
That is at
Page number, Lordship, page 70.
17. Okay. And that respondent number 4 does not have such kind of
No, it doesn't have such-
certificate from village council.
No, Lordship.
But question is, as per 3B, it is a deputy commissioner.
Is a deputy commissioner
Now,
once
is
the
there
time
any-
down the
Is there any affidavit of the deputy commissioner?
Lordship, by order dated 7/8/2025. The verification was
7/8/2025.
This is an order passed by this Honorable Court,
7/8.
directing the deputy commissioner to conduct the verification.
7/8. Just a minute. Three. Any affidavit by?
Yes, Lordship, by the state respondent. Lordship, this affidavit I received on 10/12/2025. The state government has filed an affidavit by annexing the verification report.
Father, mother,
Affidavit of respondent number. Lordship,
4.
That is also not me. No. Lordship, it should be respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Lordship.
Just a minute.
He has served the affidavit to me on 10/12/2025. Lordship.
Affidavit of respondent number.
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Lordship. In this affidavit by sworn by the additional secretary.
Let me find out the affidavit, sir. Affidavit in compliance. It is by Remabong something.
By one Renfomo Otiu,
Additional secretary.
additional secretary,
Additional secretary in the Department of so and so.
Health and Family Welfare.
Health and Family Welfare.
Lordship, the verification report, Lordship, I'll take your Lordship only the relevant portion.
Let me read it.
Yes, Lordship.
The requirement to submit a verification report conducted by the Now, where is the verification report?
Lordship, that is a page number 11, lecture 4.
Okay, let me read it.
Yes, Lordship.
So what is the sum and substance of this?
Yes, Lordship, it's a hearing there.
Huh?
Hearing there. Lordship, if you see the second last paragraph,
Which part is number 4? What do you say about last line? Mr. Khang sits in the apex precedence of Ang from ancestral lineage. Therefore, he enjoys the rightful owner on land matters, including portion of the land on dispute.
Lordship,
So-
there's a statement which he made before the verification committee, the same ground is taken in this affidavit.
Huh?
Yes, filed in the affidavit, raising the same issue which is raised before the verification committee.
Again some.
And Lordship, in order to claim his authentication, to authenticate his claim, Lordship, there should be a certificate issued by the village council. The village council has not issued any certificate to him till now.
Lordship, it's my private land.
Just a minute. No, that was a verification committee report. Right.
Lordship, as per the verification report, it gives a
No,
dispute about ownership.
That is a report by a verification committee, right?
Yes, Lord.
But as per the office memorandum, it is after the verification committee report.
It has to submit to the land revenue department.
No. After the verification committee report, that is not a decision of the deputy commissioner. That is a report
That is a report.
prepared by a number of officials who have been entrusted the task to verify.
Verified.
They have submitted the report.
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter, as per clause 3B, let us see
Yes, sir.
3B,
Lordship, the matter has to be forwarded to
3B,
the.
3B,
Yes.
3B.
3B, Lordship.
He has to examine such claim carefully.
The last 3 lines in the 3B, the recommendation of the deputy commissioner should be referred with relevant documents to the Department of Land Revenue for advice in such cases by the
Written
department.
statement from witnesses, that is government officials of the concerned department, district commission, village functioning, president of the time should be taken by the, ultimately it is a deputy commissioner, should be taken by the deputy commissioner. Then he has to give a decision.
You should give a decision.
Where is the decision?
The decision is missing, Lordship.
Madam, where is the decision? Because as per clause 3B,
Lordship.
if it is a case of oral agreement, suppose, then the department will refer the matter to deputy commissioner, who shall examine such claim carefully, including any employment of any other facility, including so and so, so and so. Written statement from the witnesses, right?
Lordship.
That is government officials of the concerned department, that is those, and the district administration and village functionaries present at the time of such oral agreement should be taken by the deputy commissioner. The recommendation of the deputy commissioner should be referred with the relevant documents to the Department of Land Revenue for advice. This is a report, this report which the department has submitted looks like a report prepared by a committee, right?
By a committee, Lordship.
There are no signature of deputy commissioner is there. One head assistant, one district tuberculosis officer, extra assistant commissioner, subdivisional officer. And deputy commissioner has acted because this report has been addressed to deputy commissioner. Come to your
Lordship.
affidavit.
Lordship.
Now, where is the decision of the deputy commissioner on the basis of this report? They have submitted all these family trees, right,
Lordship.
with a report. And they have prepared a report. Now he has to take a decision with his recommendation
Lordship.
to the department, that is Department of Land Revenue, for advice. Where is that report?
Findings.
These are prepared by page 12,
Lordship.
PROCEEDINGS.
Lordship.
One head assistant. We cannot depend upon head assistant. District tuberculosis officer, subdivision officer C, extra assistant commissioner. They have prepared a report, right?
Lordship.
And submitted it to deputy commissioner. Now, as per office memorandum, deputy commissioner has to make the recommendation and send the report to Department of Land Revenue. Where is that? He was a peon in the post office, or he was a decision-making body, authority. He was not to be a peon in the post office, just as a messenger. This is the report submitted by the committee I formed. He is not to forward the report merely to forward the report. He has to give his recommendation, either this way or that way. Where is that?
Then if it is in that case, Lordship, may I direct the Deputy Commissioner
Huh?
for verification?
How many times court is required to direct? Is he a head assistant? We can understand if the person is a head assistant. But he is a deputy commissioner.
Lordship.
Why we will direct? It is already there in the office memorandum. Is it not?
Lordship.
Huh? Is it not his duty to recommend and record his finding and the decision on the basis of the report? Because department is also silent. See they have just merely forwarded this affidavit has been filed not by Deputy Commissioner, by Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department. So Deputy Commissioner is found missing in action.
Lordship was directed by this new court by order dated 11
Please find and close. Oh, page 10.
11/5/2026, Lordship.
No. 12/9/2025, page 10 of the affidavit. He has acted as a messenger. Page 10.
Lordship.
Yes, he has acted as a messenger without his decision. He has passed the buck. First Deputy Commissioner, because your appointment is on what basis? Not by selection process. Not by selection process. Landowner, he has a claim, you have a claim. Where the decision has to be done by the Department of Revenue on the basis of recommendation by the Deputy Commissioner. There is no oral agreement. Is there any written agreement? No. So there is a oral agreement. Let us assume that is the only alternative now. And this we have to proceed as per 3B. 3B, for that purpose, you will claim, he will claim. And the person is referee is the Deputy Commissioner. Now, Deputy Commissioner is missing in action. He has played his role only as a messenger, not as a decision-making authority or recommending authority. Is it clear? Yes.
No.
Can you highlight other than messenger, he has done anything?
No, Lordship. Let's just say it, Lordship.
Yes, mister. And he has not filed any affidavit.
Lordship,
Basically, he is a peon in the post office. He has acted like a messenger in the post office.
Lordship, as directed by this honorable court by order dated 11/5/2026.
11/5.
11/5/2026.
Court might have been tired.
Court also there, Lordship.
Huh?
Exactly, Lordship.
Court might have been tired from asking the deputy commissioner to act according to 3B.
Yes.
Which date, which order?
Lordship, by order dated 11/5/2026. Should the officer of the Deputy Commissioner.
Let me read first. No, let him act as per 3B on the basis of verification report and bring his stand on by an affidavit, because he has not filed any affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Full stop. Heard Mr. Lima Wapang, learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Pisano,
Lordship.
learned government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, 3. Mr. Lima Wapang, where is Deputy Commissioner? Where is the scope for the Deputy Commissioner to file an affidavit?
No, Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner take a decision in that case.
Where? He is not a respondent here.
He's not responding.
You make him respondent
Yes, Lordship.
by filing an amended costal. How can he file an affidavit? There is no scope for him to file an affidavit.
Lordship, the decision of the Deputy Commissioner, that report may be filed by the Department Respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
See, we cannot direct an authority who is not a party in the writ petition.
That's also Lordship.
I think you are a seasoned counsel. We cannot direct.
Exactly, Lordship.
If a direction means if you go to the division bench, court will say a single judge has directed authority who is not a party in the writ petition.
Lordship, in that case, I'm allowed to implicate the Deputy Commissioner once a
Better to have then, so that we can change his role from the messenger to a recommending authority.
Yes, Lordship.
Right. We can remind him. Now he is aware of the proceeding.
Exactly.
He is not a part in the proceeding, so he is sitting leisurely.
Yes, I'll bring him in.
Okay. In the course of the proceedings and in the course of deliberation, it is noticed that the Deputy Commissioner, which district?
Mon
district, Nagaland, appears to be a necessary party in the present proceeding. Post of Mr. Lima Apang, learned counsel for the petition, has sought for 1 week time to file necessary pleadings for implement of the Deputy Commissioner Mon as a party respondent in the present proceeding. The praise allowed. File an interlocutory application. Will implead him, will issue notice. And also direct while issuing notice that file your affidavit in terms of clause 3B of the office memorandum. What is your recommendation? Where is your recommendation? If there are any recommendation, if not, then pass a recommendation on the basis of the verification report.
I pledge.
Prohibition, item number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, hereby order dated 5/5/2026, the Chief Secretary was directed to file an affidavit.
Let me read the order in the case.
Yes, Your
The petition
Lordship.
is that he applied for the post of driver. Where is your appointment order?
Page number 22, Lordship.
Is number 22. How many advertisement? How many?
9 posts, Lordship.
9 posts.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that advertisement?
Advertisement, Lordship, page 17, Lordship.
Pay matrix. Very nice. Why this paper cutting? Page 18. For what reason?
Lordship, the advertisement is in the next page, 19,
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay, this is result. Okay, advertisement.
Advertisement, Lordship.
Advertisement.
Lordship, you can find the result at
Okay.
page number 21. Result is also
Okay,
important,
admit
Lordship.
card, result, waiting list. Your roll number is 119.
Yes, Lordship.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, in result, page 21, 9 names already in the there. You are in the waiting list.
Yes, Lordship, I was in the waiting list. Now, when the result was declared, Lordship, the department, they have offered that within a period of 3 months, appointment will be issued to this waiting list, the candidates in the waiting list. Now, then, in the next month, Lordship, I was issued the appointment order against the vacancy, Lordship.
Somebody did not join, or what?
Lordship.
Somebody did not join, or what?
No, Lordship, vacancy arose after the result was declared, after the 9 appointments were made.
Then
I was in the waiting list.
By law,
Lordship.
if 9 advertisements are made
Lordship.
and 9 appointments are made,
Yes, Lordship.
and if then the process got exhausted.
Yes, Lordship.
By law.
Yes, Lordship, I agree.
Then after that you cannot act upon waiting list.
Yes, Lordship.
But that otherwise per se illegal.
Lordship, there was only a condition in the result.
But question is, the court is trying to find out if something can be done.
Lordship,
Otherwise,
Lordship. I agree,
9
Lordship, I agree.
advertisement, 9 appointments.
Lordship.
Right.
Lordship,
If somebody did not join,
Lordship.
but in that you have been uplifted from waiting list to the main list.
Lordship.
Okay.
Had it been, it could have been a different.
Yes,
Lordship.
definitely there court can go harsh. But if 9 appointments are made,
Yes, and they all accepted.
all accepted,
Lordship.
and they are joining, they have joined, and
Lordship.
they are working,
Lordship.
then this act on the waiting list
Lordship.
without there being an advertisement is per se
Lordship.
illegal under Article 14 and 16
Lordship, I agree. Lordship, I agree.
to that extent. But we will not, for the time being.
Lordship.
If the situation demands, we have to.
Lordship. Lordship.
Because that part has been, nobody has said.
Lordship.
You joined.
No doubt there was approval by the government, Lordship, but yes.
How is the affidavit now of the chief secretary? Or what is the stand in the affidavit? Let us see first. First stand. Affidavit in opposition.
There are 2 affidavits filed, Lordship.
Additional secretary. 2 affidavit.
Lordship.
First by
First is by the department, Lordship.
1 to 5.
Lordship. That includes the chief secretary also, Lordship. But the recent directive was only specifically to the chief
I will
secretary.
look into that.
Lordship.
First, where is that letter? 8/9/2025.
Page 6, Lordship.
Now, third para. Third para.
Lordship.
In the present case, the petitioner is appointed as driver grade 2
Lordship.
against an additional vacancy which was neither advertised.
Lordship. They're admitting the fact. And
Yes,
also going to
correct,
dispute
yes.
that, Lordship.
Approval. Well, later, just sort. Inability. So, without waiting for government approval, engineer in chief had appointed you.
Lordship.
Department wrote on 27/6/2023,
Lordship.
expressing its inability to appoint you
Lordship.
from the waiting list
Lordship.
against additional vacancies in pursuance of office memorandum dated 24/3/2018. Where is that 8/8/2023 letter? Anything is there?
Lordship, a letter in the affidavit, Lordship.
No, in that 8/9/2025 letter, government has mentioned last but one paragraph.
Yes, Lordship. 8/8/2023, Lordship.
Last but one. 8/8/2023.
The letter is not part of the affidavit.
8/8/2023. Captain Evans. Captain Evans. Now, what is the new affidavit? I'll come after 5 minutes.
Lordship, Lordship.
Just Nobody had challenged your appointment,
Lordship.
then it would have been gone forever. But since the department has initiated an inquiry process,
Lordship.
think it over, we can direct that to bring the inquiry process, that's page 9, Annexure C, constituted into irregular appointment of so-and-so. They have constituted engineer in charge. Let this process be brought to a logical conclusion.
Lordship.
Think it over. I will not harp on that waiting list on so-and-so because you have been appointed.
Lordship.
And so far, the period rendered, that has to be paid.
Lordship.
And the final decision regarding irregularity or otherwise of your appointment will be decided, will abide by the decision taken on the basis of inquiry. Otherwise,
Lordship.
law says otherwise.
Lordship.
It is clear.
Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Yes, your lordship.
Think it over. We'll
Lordship.
pass the order tomorrow.
Lordship.
Think it over. That inquiry proceeding should be brought to a logical conclusion.
Lordship.
And your appointment for the time being will remain.
Lordship.
If it goes in your favor, ex post facto approval, they decide,
Lordship.
you will remain. Otherwise, you claim your salary for the services rendered.
Lordship.
Your lordship, if I may, here the petitioner,
Madam, I have seen the
No.
Chief Secretary's affidavit.
yes, your lordship, but here in.
Chief Secretary affidavit. You have decided to initiate disciplinary action with a predetermined mind that why 50% should not be. With a predetermined mind already. You will come before the court and get it set aside.
Lordship.
First, they have taken a resolution, let us issue show cause notice and will impose penalty of withholding 50% of the pension,
Lordship.
which is a decision which should be subsequent to the.
Exactly, Lordship.
But you have taken the decision first, then issue the show cause notice. I will not go into that aspect, sir. It will be not for any benefit to the petition.
Lordship.
Right. That process also be brought to logical conclusion so far as ex chief engineer, but so far your proceeding,
Lordship.
that also be brought to a logical conclusion.
Lordship.
And ultimate final decision about retaining you
Lordship.
will abide by the decision taken by the authority.
Yes, Lordship.
I think that is the only way.
Lordship.
Otherwise, jumping from waiting list after appointment of 9 post advertised
Lordship.
as not
Lordship.
supportable.
Lordship. Right.
Since nobody has challenged your appointment,
Lordship.
we will not go into that appointment. Had it been challenged, your appointment would have been set aside. Madam, I heard Mr. M. Jamil, Moa Jamil, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Mr. A. Amil, Learned Counsel for the petition, Learned Government Advocate for the state respondents, sought for by the Learned Counsel for the parties. This is the case tomorrow. We'll decide tomorrow.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Take your call.
Lordship.
This is the only way.
Lordship.
We will not decide the finality. Let them decide. If they decide for ex post facto approval somehow, then it will be in your favor.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 12.
Yes, somebody made a prayer in the morning.
Yes,
Nobody is present. Yes, you were absent, so I did not permit adjournment. Mr. Lorin, any objection to the prayer for adjournment?
I'm praying for 2 weeks time to file my affidavit. Respondent number 7.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. M. Longkumar, Learned, M or N?
M.
M for Meghalaya.
Yes, Your Lordship.
M. Longkumar, Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number 12125. And Mr. So-and-so,
Limatushi for 7 and 8.
Limatosi or
I Limatushi,
I Limatosi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
7 and
7 and 8. Mr. Limatosi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7 and 8. State has filed affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
already,
Yes.
not in the record.
I just filed it last week, Your Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Longkumar, Learned Government Advocate has submitted that the state response, the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents has already been filed and the same is not on record. Post of Mr. Limatosi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7 and 8 has sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7 and 8. Post of release the case after 2 weeks, the registry to bring the counter affidavit. of the state respondents, stated to have been filed already, on record.
For admission, item number 15.
Yes.
My apologies, Your Worship. In the morning, I had one motion in the other court.
Okay.
That's why I could not appear. In this matter, I'm yet to receive instructions.
Okay.
So I may be granted 2 weeks' time, Your Worship.
Mr. Azze Soikia, learned counsel.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Has appeared to the virtual mode, along with Mr.
Kenagi.
Nagi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, Mr. Jade Kulnu, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. M. Longkumar, learned government advocate for the respondent number 4 and 5 are also present. So Mr. Kulnu has submitted that he has not received the necessary instruction to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and has sought for further 3 weeks' time to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit. Mr. Longkumar, the government advocate, has also paid for 3 weeks' time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Also, the prayers are allowed. Release the case on so and so. After 3 weeks, give it date. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day.
Your Worship, I reflected in the cost list.
The name of Mr. Jade Kulnu, learned counsel for standing counsel for the respondent number 123 will be reflected in the cost list. Respondent side in the cost list.
Much obliged.
Oh, here, item number 16.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, here I'm appearing for respondent number 1. And my lord, I'm informed by respondent number 2 that she has difficulty today. So let the matter be listed on trust, my lord.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior IMT launcher, counsel for the petitioner.
Yes. Do you have any objection?
No, Lordship.
Okay. On the pair of Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. E. T. Bakum, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. On the ground that the Miss
Respondent number 2.
Miss
Asang Nawaling.
learned counsel for the respondent number 2 is absent today. Release the case.
On trust, my lord. 11. Much obliged.
Oh, hearing, item number 17.
Who is for the petitioner? Is last date absent. Yes.
Yes, may I please, your lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner is challenging the appointment order dated 4th March 2024 and then 8th July 2024.
March.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner. The
4th
petitioner,
March, where is the 4th March order?
your lordship, it's in page 17, annexure 4, lordship.
Page 17. Page 17.
Yes, lordship, page 18, lordship.
4th March, sir. Come tomorrow, no, give me the evidence here.
Page 18, lordship.
Page 17.
18, lordship.
Who is respondent number?
Page 18. That is 4th March 2024. And then page 19. That is 8th July 2018. Yes. This is the second appointment order, Lordship.
Consequent upon approval of the government department of Science. Okay. Who is the private respondent? Seal number? Kochamo CTO.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. That is respondent number
Kochamo
6.
CTO. Respondent number
6, Lordship.
6. The appointee shall be on probation for 2 years. So this is on 4th March. Then what is 19?
Lordship, that is also the
Consequent
second.
Don't go PhD. This is the principal director. Why 2 orders?
Yes, Lordship. Same person with the same post, Lordship, in the same department, Lordship.
No, why 2 appointment orders?
Lordship, that is why, Lordship. Lordship, the appointment had been made illegally, Lordship.
They said government approval.
Yes.
1/3/2024. What is that?
Subsequent order was in modification of the previous order. Because in the previous order, they clubbed up with the LTS. Yes. They've clubbed up with the LTS, otherwise.
NPS.
LTS Lordship. So they have segregated with the LTS and the medical attendant. That is as per the.
Okay.
Otherwise, there is the same approval. Will continue with us.
Okay, the MTS means multi-task staff. Okay, medical attendant appointment has been made separate by subsequent order. Okay. Now this appointment is challenged on what ground?
Your Lordship, here the petitioner is one of the recommended landowner.
Bonatung T. Chitio.
Yes, Lordship.
That was the that is previous post, previous holder of the post after his retirement. Or
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Okay, after his retirement,
the petitioner was recommended by the landowner. We are the.
Okay, 1 minute. You are Anguli.
Yes, Lordship.
Anguli.
Yes, Lordship.
A resident of Sungro. Bona fide landowner, so head Gangura. Witness head Gangura, the bona fide landowner. Due to resignation. He resigned, Bonatung.
Lordship, on the resignation of Bonatung, his brother was appointed, his biological brother was appointed, which is that is respondent number 6, Lordship, without following the employment policy, Lordship.
Bonatung.
Lordship, I've already stated at para 10, Lordship.
Para 10.
Para 10 of the writ petition, Lordship.
Now, how this earlier person got appointed, this Bonatung CTO? You have submitted some representation.
Lordship, on the retirement of this Bonatung Shitu, the petitioner had made an application Accordingly, even the landowner has also issued a no objection certificate, Lordship. That is at page 13, Lordship.
How Bonathong CTO came to be appointed? Bonathong CTO. No, please memorandum. What is your relation with where from you are saying that you are the landowner?
Lordship, I am the nephew of the landowner, Lordship.
Siposao Anguli.
Yes, yes. I am the nephew of the landowner, Lordship.
Okay, you are nephew of Siposao Anguli.
Yes, Lordship, Lordship.
And there was an agreement.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the type copy of the agreement?
Lordship, it is in 14 clause A in the next page, Lordship. 14 clause A.
Fourteen A.
Yes,
Clause
Lordship.
B.
Clause A, Lordship. In the next page, Lordship.
14A.
Yes,
Thereafter,
Lordship.
two conditions are there.
Yes,
Condition
Lordship.
number 2, to offer any grade of government job.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
So that is an agreement.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, what is the stand of the government?
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, here in the instant case, the petitioner is not the real landowner, Lordship.
What is the stand in your affidavit?
Lordship, in my affidavit, point number 4 and 5.
Affidavit filed by secretary.
Lordship. The petitioner is not a signatory in the criminal, Lordship.
Now, what is the justification of appointing respondent number 6?
Lordship, the department has received two applications, that is the petitioner and the private respondent. And accordingly, the petitioner, the private respondent has appointed.
You have taken a stand that landowners were given already 9 appointments.
Lordship,
9 appointments.
it was stated by the petitioner, Lordship.
No, you also said, para 5, you acted on that behalf. Now, where is the claim of where is the affidavit of the respondent number 6?
Lordship, in response to the affidavit filed by the state.
Let us see respondent number 6 as affidavit. Yes, what is your?
May I please, Lordship?
Lordship, here. You claim appointment on what basis?
Lordship, due to the available vacant post, I have submitted an application along with the petitioner. My name was selected and common approval was sent accordingly. Otherwise, Lordship, the petitioner has applied on the basis of land ownership.
Okay.
Now he has no locus at all to claim such right.
Okay. But what is your basis of appointment?
Lordship,
you are a landowner.
No, I'm not a landowner.
Then is there any advertisement? Then it is a vacant post.
Lordship, there is no any advertisement.
No advertisement, no selection process.
No such was conducted. But otherwise, if I may.
If he were, if he is in deep water, you were in deep sea.
Lordship, there is an approval from the government.
No approval. That is no approval. No approval in the eye of law. If his family of landowners got 9 appointments as per their own admission,
yes,
maybe he is not entitled to be appointed as on landowner basis. But he has an alternative right to participate in a selection process.
Correct.
And you have no right to get appointed without any advertisement, without any selection process. This will be in complete violation of the constitutional principle under Article 14 and 16. So your appointment, at least on the second round, that he has a right to be considered for appointment under a selection process, that right survives. His claim for appointment on landowner basis may not survive. But you have no, otherwise he has challenged you. And that you are not a landowner. Then if you are not a landowner of the family, then you have no right to be appointed without any selection process. This post must be advertised.
No, Lordship,
now where is the policy, madam, government? Where is the policy? It must be there then. Landowner policy.
Page 26, last page.
Read petition.
Page 26, close it, Lordship.
This is the vacancy will be filled up through open advertisement in consonance with the existing policy giving equal opportunity. Last line. You are not a landowner.
No.
Then there is no open advertisement.
No, but Lordship, with my respectful submission, the present petition itself is not maintainable.
No, it is still maintainable. Because he says you are not a landowner.
Yes.
Where have you said?
Lordship, in my reply. Lordship, in my reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent, Lordship, in my pattern number
I have to pick the
2 in 3, Lordship.
Otherwise.
In my para number
Just a minute, because of my back pain, I have to change the chair. This is not conducive for me. Wooden one, wooden. It is clean? Clean? साफ करो। साफ है? Now it is okay.
Now, Lordship, alternate bench of this honorable court in two separate cases. I've observed that if the petitioner has no right or locus to challenge such, then that cannot be interfered with. I have just judgments.
Give it, I have already rendered my judgment here also. That even if the petitioner fails on the ground of on the claim that as a landowner he fails, but still as per the policy, if the other person who has been appointed is not a landowner, then this vacancy must be filled up by open advertisement as per the policy. Without any advertisement, any selection process, this is violation of Article 14, because if in a case of vacant post, everybody should have equal opportunity to participate in the selection process. And this is not by me, this is by the Constitution and this is by the Supreme Court decisions. However, number of authorities you give, that is not possible to accept because of the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. And as per the policy, they have violated their own policy. Last line, open advertisement.
One aspect, Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner is challenging the.
Now let me find out where he has said that you are not a landowner.
Your Lordship may kindly come to my reply filed by the state respondent, Lordship. To the affidavit in the possession, Lordship. Yes.
Yes.
At para number 3, Lordship.
Para number T.
Yes, Lordship.
Which one? Without.
Second para, Lordship. That further the petitioner humbly states that on being learned about the vacancy, the petitioner being one of the indigenous inhabitant of the Uka and the eligible candidate had applied for the post. Further also recommended by the landowner to appoint on behalf of the landowner on the basis of landownership. Now, Lordship, from here, that despite of the clear office memorandum dated so issued by the government of Nagaland, without proper verification, rectification, and without advertisement of the post, and without following the office memorandum, the department had appointed the respondent number 6, biological brother of Shiri Ponatang, who is not the landowner, nor a recommended landowner candidate, Lordship.
Mamata Mohanty বুলি আছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট ডিসিশন Mamata Mohanty Supreme Court Mamta Mamta Mohanty. Yes.
Yes, Lordship, here, if I may take your Lordship to Annexure 4, page 17 of the petition.
Annexure 4.
Challenge has been made against this approval order. Now, Lordship, the petitioner is challenging the appointment of the respondent number 6. Page 17, Annexure 4. So here, I'm at serial number 6. Now, if this honorable court is to interfere, this approval order, then the petitioner has to also effectively implead the other parties who have been appointed by this same approval letter.
No, he's concerned with you.
Yes, yes.
He is concerned with you.
But otherwise.
He is interested in the post of medical attendant. Medical attendant in Sungro PhD. These kind of appointments are made all throughout the state. Whether he will go on challenging all those. He is interested in that only. And secondly, it is not that you are qualified, more qualified than him. Both are class 8 pass.
No.
Is it not? Both are class 8 pass. It appears from the document. Somewhere. I have seen. In opposition. Okay. Heard Mr.
Tushitamchan.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, MS Pichano, Learned Junior Government Advocate. For the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and Mr.
Correspondent 6.
If you want to show any authority, you show.
Lordship.
Achha, Mamata Mohanty too. Mamata Mohanty.
Lordship, I may be also allowed to place one authority, Lordship.
Lordship, the operative paragraph starts from paragraph 17. And 19.
17.
And 19. Lordship.
19.
And in the second, I would only refer to paragraph 28, where paragraph 28, the last paragraph.
Paragraph?
28. That is in WBC
20?
79.
WBC 79.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, paragraph.
Paragraph 28. 28.
On what ground it is rejected?
It was rejected because, Lordship, the petitioner entered into an agreement after 2005. The agreement was executed after 2005. The government policy says that the agreement.
But whether the other respondent, the private respondent,
Private respondents were.
what was his claim?
He was appointed.
No, what was his claim? On what basis? Simple
Application.
or
Application was.
or anything related to land ownership?
No, approval given by the government. That's how it was not interfered. Same thing with the other case also, Lordship, WVC 72. The petitioner had no locus because they have already availed, similarly like this case. Landowner have enjoyed 3 times.
Whether this aspect
Lordship.
was considered his right to maintain a writ petition.
Maintainability was raised and that was considered. So the writ petition was not maintainable. That's how it was dismissed.
Maybe my case, my decision goes against it, but my decision is as per my earlier order. And if that decision is not placed, then this decision is par impurium. I have already rendered earlier. Ulailo bolego. Let us see how far it is.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, with regard to the judgment WBC 77 of 23, the facts of the case are different with my case, lordship. In 77, they have entered into an agreement, which does not come within the office memorandum. Now, my lord, in submission to that, I would also like to place one authority passed by this honorable court. At para number 25, lordship.
This is exactly held. This is exactly held in 2023 or 24.
Therefore, lordship, the petitioner is approached this court with unclean hand. The petitioner is approached this court with unclean hand with all material irregularity, starting from the agreement, which is only a letter to the government. This is not itself an agreement entered between the petitioner and the
It is not.
authority. Secondly, the representative.
Every petitioner has right to place documents. And it is not that he has suppressed anything, because the state respondents has relied upon the letter of his uncle, right? His uncle named Chipoko Nguli to
Yes.
deny his appointment on landowner basis. It is only on the basis, they don't have any material. It is not that his uncle has suppressed something. From the letter itself of the uncle, it was revealed that 9 persons were already appointed on the basis of the document 76. Right? It is not a question of suppression. It is matter of claiming a right of appointment, and which right to give appointment is completely vested in the government. They have denied it. Now, where is your right to claim appointment without any selection process?
Lordship, that was done on due exigency. But why government?
No exigency. I have seen another of the government office memorandum now, which they try to rely upon. I'll deal with it also. We'll try to dispose it of tomorrow because of my pain. Court master. This will list it tomorrow because of the pain. Anyway, after one, they have an executive committee meeting. Tomorrow? I'll list the case tomorrow. Any other matter?